To set up the secure folder on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, we need to go to Settings, scroll down in the settings to find Security and Privacy, then over here find More Security Settings, and then Secure Folder. Press Continue, and then once again to grant permissions, and now we need to wait up to a minute or so for the secure folder to be created. After that, we need to set up the password for our secure folder, so choose one of these types. You can also use biometrics if you have them set up. So let's say I'm going to choose a PIN code. There we go, enter the same password twice. You can also use your Samsung account for the lock reset in case you forget the password. And then we can press next. And over here we have our secure folder. We can add apps by pressing this plus button over here. We can tap on these three dots in order to, for example, sort our apps, lock and exit, encrypt, add files, customize the secure folder app, at least the icon and name in the apps screen or app drawer. And then we also have settings. And of course, the secure folder can be found by going to the app screen or app drawer over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!